This video will walk you through how to add team members to a course outside of an LMS integration. To add or update your instructional team members, click into the Team section of the course. To add new team members, click Add by Email, and you can type or copy and paste the email addresses in this box. Click Continue. At this stage, you will assign each of the team members a role. You can see the permissions attached to each role by clicking on this link. Instructors have all permissions to see and change course settings. Facilitators can see most information, but they can only change some of it. Graders only have access to assessments assigned to them and do not see student information. An uploader is a person whose only job is scanning in-person assessments and uploading them for matching. Select to add the new team members. Team permissions can be changed at any time. To do this, click on the drop-down beside the role and select the new role.